Hey, wonderful people. Good morning. Prakash this side on Personal Transformation Challenge, uh, day 7th. So you can see my watch. It's 5:20 in this watch, and this is 7 minutes ahead. So it's around 5:13 by now. So I woke up at 5 a.m. exactly today. I got off the bed by 5:01, 1 minutes within waking up. So that was nice. I'm very happy with that because uh, you can wake up at any time, but that does not matter. What matters is when you get off the bed, because that time between waking up you know and getting off the bed is extremely crucial, because that is where your mind tells you to get off the bed or not, and that is where all game lies. So I got off the bed within a minute of after waking up, and freshen up, and here I am, to start my daily rituals. So yesterday I talked about you know uh, those three things. And if you want to know more about it, you go back and watch day 6 video in the same playlist. But I just want to highlight one thing here today, that when you get into some habit. So it's seventh day, and yesterday, when I woke up, I was feeling completely fresh. I completed all the rituals. I added up to one more exercise into it, which I'll tell about you in the later videos. And how the small changes in habits are making impact in life, which is much bigger. So that I am experiencing, I have started experiencing, because what usually happens is, we always think that to create something big, we always have to, take bigger actions, but it's not the fact. Uh, the smaller actions and the consistent actions uh, will only be the, you know strategy to achieve bigger results. And that is been said in many self-help books. However, we tend to misinterpret it, we tend to ignore it deliberately. But now I am realizing it, how small habits are helping me, because over last 7 days many things have changed, in terms of stability of mind, in terms of concentration level, in terms of confidence level, in terms of not fearing about anything, in terms of eradicating unnecessary negative thoughts from mind, in terms of setting right mindset for entire day. And that itself gives me an added competitive edge over other days, when I compare before 7 days and when I compare last 7 days. And uh, to add up to that, more good things are happening, are I'm experiencing stable health, because I have been on treatment of hypertension and medication. So since last 2.5 year I have been consuming hypertension medication, since one dramatic incident which happened to me. uh, but to tell you something, that anxiety, that some after effects of hypertension, and sudden panic, sudden anxiety, uh, to be very honest, I have not experienced it at a single time in last 7 days. And that itself is a testimony of this particular small habit. So waking up at 5 a.m. and completing certain rituals, that is what is making me feel better every single day. and absolute and needless to say that it is also impacting on my performance level. So I'm looking forward to complete this challenge first, and take it this challenge ahead for my entire lifetime. And I'm surely gonna tell you how the journey is going to be. So stay tuned and have a blissful day. Thank you so much.